welcome to Short Tutorials by Divi Next for the Divi Essential plugin. Let's get the columns. Here we will be talking about Next Person module. Add the name of the person. Move on to the position text. Also add the body text. Move on to the background, content background. Here you can add the background color to your text. Add the person's image. Go to the social network item. Here we have put Twitter. And we put the background color as black. Design tab, we have quickly changed the icon color. You can add rounded corners like we did here. Just like that, you can add more social links to your design. Let's go to Design tab, go to the Image toggle. Here you can select Image Position. We picked left, so now you can select Image Left Position. Adjust the image width according to your need. Also adjust the border around the image. You can have the rounded corners as well for this one. Align your image and text. Add padding or margin for image, content, title, position, and even body text. Also add border around your text. Feel free to download the demo designs for Next Person module as shown in the video from our website. There's a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for notifications of more videos like this one. This is me signing out. Bye.